Miami Beach is known for its sleek architecture, coastal views, and contemporary home designs. Whether you're renovating a waterfront condo, updating a mid-century property, or modernizing a single-family residence, windows play a central role in the transformation. For many homeowners, custom-sized slider windows offer the perfect combination of clean design, expansive views, and performance built for coastal living. If you're planning a renovation in Miami Beach, here's why custom slider windows are a smart and stylish choice. Designed to fit your unique space, every renovation project is different. Older homes may have non-standard window openings, and modern redesigns often call for larger glass areas or unique proportions. Custom-sized slider windows are built specifically for your home's dimensions, ensuring a seamless fit. Instead of forcing your design to match standard window sizes, custom sliders allow you to maximize natural light, create wider viewing areas, align window lines for architectural symmetry, enhance indoor-outdoor flow in Miami Beach, where views and sunlight are part of the lifestyle. Properly sized windows make a dramatic difference. Clean, contemporary aesthetic slider windows are known for their horizontal design and minimal framing. This makes them ideal for modern renovations that prioritize simplicity and clean lines. The large glass panels create an open, airy feel that complements coastal contemporary homes, Art Deco-inspired properties, luxury waterfront residences, modern condo renovations. Slim frames and expansive glass surfaces allow the outdoors to take center stage, highlighting ocean views, city skylines, or lush landscaping. Built for coastal conditions, Miami Beach homes face unique environmental challenges, including salt air, humidity, intense sun exposure, and hurricane season. Custom slider windows can be engineered specifically for coastal durability. High-quality coastal slider windows often include impact-resistant laminated glass, corrosion-resistant hardware, reinforced frames. Advanced weather sealing impact glass helps protect against flying debris during storms while also reducing outside noise. Corrosion-resistant components are essential in salt air environments, preventing rust and ensuring long-term performance. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Modern slider windows aren't just about style, they're designed for performance. Energy-efficient glass packages help reduce heat gain from Miami Beach's strong sun while maintaining bright interiors. Look for features such as double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas fills, UV protection. These technologies help lower cooling costs and protect interior furnishings from fading. In climate where air conditioning runs much of the year, energy-efficient windows make a noticeable impact on comfort and utility bills. Smooth operation and practical functionality. Slider windows operate by gliding horizontally along a track. This makes them easy to open and close, even in tight spaces where outward opening windows may not be practical. They're particularly useful in kitchens, living rooms facing balconies, bedrooms, high-rise condos. Custom sizing ensures the window functions smoothly and aligns perfectly with the surrounding structure, improving both performance and appearance. Enhancing property value in Miami Beach's competitive real estate market, modern renovations that prioritize quality materials and coastal durability are highly attractive to buyers. Custom-sized slider windows demonstrate attention to detail and thoughtful design. By upgrading to impact-rated, energy-efficient windows tailored to your space, you increase both curb appeal and long-term property value. Professional installation matters because coastal conditions demand precision. Professional installation is essential. Proper sealing, flashing, and anchoring ensure that your custom slider windows perform as designed. Expert installers account for wind load requirements, water intrusion protection, structural reinforcement, local build codes. This ensures your renovation meets safety standards while maximizing durability. A modern upgrade for Miami Beach living. Custom-sized slider windows bring together form and function in a way that perfectly suits Miami Beach renovations. They offer expansive views, energy efficiency, storm protection, and a sleek aesthetic that enhances modern design. If you're updating your home, investing in custom slider windows allows you to create a brighter, more comfortable living space. built specifically for the beauty and challenges of coastal living.